Hello mga ka-tutor! Welcome sa aking channel. If in case you're new here to my channel, I'm actually making an educational video tutorials. At kung kayo na may nakapag-subscribe na, welcome back sa aking channel. Sa video nito ay sasabihin ko sa inyo ang mga dapat nating i-review, especially kung nagbe-major kayo sa mga sumusunod na subjects like English, Filipino, Biological Science, Mathematics, at Values Education. So here we go. Field of specialization: English, remedial instruction in English, English for a specific purpose, theoretical foundations of language and literature, introduction to linguistics, structure of English, introduction to stylistics, literary criticism, literature, mythology and folklore, Afro-Asian literature, English and American literature, methodology, the teaching of speaking, listening and reading, teaching of literature, preparation, evaluation of instructional materials, language and literature assessment, language research, campus journalism, translation and editing of text, speech and stage arts, creative writing. Now let's go to field of specialization, Filipino. Mga batayang theoretical. Introduksyon sa pag-aaral ng wika. Panimulang linguistika. Nilalaman. Wika. Panitikan. Metodolohiya. Pagtataya at pag-ebalwasyon. Kagamitang pagturo. Field of specialization, Biological Science. Biological Science 1, Biological Science 2, Inorganic Chemistry, Cell Biology, Ecology, Microbiology, Genetic and Evolution, Biochemistry and Anatomy of Physiology. Field of specialization, Mathematics, Arithmetic, Number Theory, Business Math, Basic and Advanced Algebra, Plane Geometry, Solid Geometry, Trigonometry, Probability and Statistics, Analytic Geometry, Calculus, Modern Geometry, Linear Algebra, Abstract Algebra, History of Mathematics, Problem Solving, Mathematical Investigation, Instrumentation and Assessment, Field of specialization: values education. Foundation of values education: philosophy and ethical foundation of values education. Sociocultural, anthropological, and legal basis of values education. Psychological theories of values development. Personhood development. Dynamics of intra and interpersonal resources. Psychospiritual development. Management of behavior problems. Transformative education, sources of values and factor of values education. Family life and Filipino value system. Education for human rights and responsible citizenship. Foundation of gender studies. Peace and global education. Information technology and human development. Moral issues and concern in contemporary living. Work ethics and community service. Career development and work values. Value education through community service. Approach and methodology. Facilitation, theory and practice. Teaching approaches and strategies in transformative education. Values integration in the school setting. Research and evaluation. Behavioral statistics. Development of values education instructional materials. Research in values education.